Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making my husband's favorite hot and sour soup. Tangy, spicy, comforting, and loaded with goodies. This version serves 4 people generously, great as a starter or light main dish, and the best part? I used 1.2 liters of homemade broth made from leftover chicken bones, no store-bought needed. I'll give you all the exact quantities, walk through the steps, and share a fun trivia fact. Let's get cooking. For 4 servings, here's exactly what I used. Homemade chicken broth. 1.2 liters, made from leftover chicken, details coming up. Fresh shiitake mushrooms, 150 grams, about 5 to 6 medium, stems removed, caps thinly sliced. Enoki mushrooms, 200 grams, 1 large bunch, trimmed at the base. Bell pepper, half of a medium one, about 100 grams, thinly sliced or julienned. Tomato, 1 medium, about 150 to 200 grams, chopped into small chunks. Firm tofu, 200 grams, cut into thin strips or small cubes. Eggs, 2 large, lightly beaten for silky ribbons. Soy sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons, start with 3, taste and add more. Black vinegar, jinjiang or rice vinegar, 3 to 4 tablespoons, adjust for how sour you like it, I go tangy. White pepper or black pepper, 1 teaspoon, start with a half teaspoon if spice sensitive. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. Cornstarch slurry, 3 tablespoons cornstarch mixed with 5 tablespoons cold water. Green onions, 2 to 3 stalks finely chopped for garnish. Optional, a splash of chili oil for extra heat. These mushrooms bring amazing earthy flavor, and the bell pepper and tomato add a fresh, colorful twist. Quick fun trivia before we cook. Hot and sour soup is often thought to be from Sichuan because of the spice, but the vinegar-heavy version we love actually comes from Henan province. It's a twist on an older pepper hot soup called Suan La Tang. There's even a legend that it cured a Ming Dynasty official's bad cold by making him sweat it out. It's been a warming remedy for over 2,000 years, pretty cool for a simple soup. First, the broth. I used leftover chicken bones and scraps, added them to a pot with about 1.5 liters of water, a few smashed garlic cloves, 3/4 slices of fresh ginger, and a splash of soy sauce. Simmered low for about an hour until rich and golden. Strain it, and you get exactly 1.2 liters of flavorful homemade broth, zero waste. Bring the 1.2 liters of broth to a boil. Add the half bell pepper, chopped tomato, 200 grams tofu, 200 grams enoki, and 150 grams sliced shiitake. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so everything mingles. Season, stir in 1 teaspoon white pepper, or black, 3 to 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons rice vinegar, taste as you add, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. I accidentally deleted the clip for this part though. Tweak to your taste, I love it extra sour and peppery. Thicken, stir the cornstarch slurry, then slowly pour it in while stirring constantly until the soup is glossy and slightly thick, 1 to 2 minutes. The best part? Turn heat low, slowly drizzle in the 2 beaten eggs while gently stirring in circles for those gorgeous silky egg ribbons. Turn off the heat right away. Ladle into 4 bowls, top with chopped green onions and maybe a swirl of chili oil. Look at this beauty, serves 4 perfectly, packed with mushrooms, veggies, tofu, and egg ribbons. That's my homemade hot and sour soup with a side of history. Try it and tell me your tweaks in the comments. Like if you love soups, subscribe for more real cooking, and see you next time. Stay warm. Thanks for watching Life with Mike and Angie.